I am here in our lifestyle vignette in the Tisdale Distributing showroom. I'm standing in front of our 60-inch dual fuel range. Dual fuel means you have electric oven on the bottom and gas cooking on the top. With having the electric ovens on the bottom, you get all of the great modes to give you that precision cooking based on what you're making. You also have dual convection. You have a self-clean mode. You have those Vulf gourmet modes where you tell it what you're cooking and it sets the mode and temperature for you. You have the use of a temperature probe so that you can get that perfect internal temperature every time. And it is also advanced technology. You can monitor it from your user app. You can preheat it, monitor your probe temp and timer. To choose what mode you want to cook on in the oven, you will use your knob here. You'll turn it to your mode and desired temperature by a slight push of the knob. You have a touchscreen drop-down panel that tells you what mode you're choosing, your start button. You can set your timer and your probe temperature to be alerted here on the panel, as well as your oven lights. Your different size options in the dual fuel range are 30-inch, 36-inch, 48-inch, and of course the 60-inch. In the 30-inch, you get 4 gas burners. In the 36 and 48-inch, you get the option of all gas burners, or you could add in a cooking surface. And in the 60-inch, you can do gas burners with an addition of a different cooking surface, meaning you could do a single griddle, you could do a double griddle, you could do a single griddle or charbroiler, just the charbroiler or the French top. Please see your showroom consultant for all your configuration options. Our gas burners are dual stack burners, meaning they have 2 gas lines running to every single one of them. That big gas line that's closer to your pot or pan gives you that beautiful high heat for that precision cooking. Then you can drop all the way down to the simmer or the smaller gas line that's further away from that pot or pan so that you can hold things without them scorching on the bottom, but they're still warm enough to serve. So this is a visual of how those gas lines are running to every single one of them. The strengths on the burners are different, and this is gonna be helpful when you're cooking at home. So on your front left on the dual fuel ranges is a 20,000 BTU burner. So that's that beautiful high flame that's going to let you sear things in a hot pan, bring something to a boil really quickly. Directly behind that is the smaller 9,200 BTU. So that is for holding something really delicate, melting chocolate or butter. That's when you would use that burner. These burners are 18,000 and 15,000 BTU, 18,000 and 15,000 BTU. That will be the configuration depending on what size that you get your dual fuel range. You have different cooking surface option configurations in the Vulf dual fuel ranges. You can do a single griddle, you could do a double griddle. Both of those have a temperature control from 0 to 450 degrees. That double griddle gives you dual temperature zone. We also have a thermometer mounted directly underneath there to ensure that it never drops temperature when you're cooking on it. The charbroiler is a 16,000 BTU infrared burner. It is a beautiful sear zone. It also has a plate underneath to divert the heat so that you get even heat all the way through the grate. For your charbroiler and all of your burners, you have this beautiful red light that illuminates behind the bezel to let you know that burner is on. For your charbroiler, turn to your desired temperature. Once that is preheated, that light will actually turn off. And then for your charbroiler, you control it with that knob as well. When you're not cooking on your griddle or charbroiler, you can always cover with your stainless steel top as well. You have the option to customize your knobs and your bezels. We have our classic red with our stainless bezel here. You also have the option of black, stainless, brushed gray, and brushed brass knob and bezel. The dual fuel ranges have advanced technology. From the user app, you can actually preheat the oven. You can check your temperature probe of what you're cooking or even your timer. The dual fuel range is a timeless piece designed with professional style that coordinates with the full suite of Sub-Zero Vulf Cove appliances. Please visit our showroom to see all of the different configurations, and our knowledgeable team will be happy to help you.